Okay, besties. So, baby girl and I, we just finished up with our shower and bath, and she wants to make brownies, so that's what we're about to do. And then we're probably gonna put on a movie and just relax for the rest of the night. Okay, besties. So I have everything that I need: eggs, sugar, the brownie mix, oil, a measuring cup, and some spray. I just need to get a mixing bowl and the pan. I'm about to go ahead and preheat the oven. Baby girl's right here eating her little snacky snack. But I'm about to go ahead and preheat the oven to 350. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna grab the pan, a mixing bowl, and we're gonna, yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and bake 350. Let's bake again, and then it's preheated. Got our pan. Now I just need to get a bowl. Okay, so baby girl went ahead and walked off. I guess she does not want to make the brownies with me anymore, so I'm gonna go ahead and make them for her. So we are going to need 2 large eggs, 3 tablespoons of water, and 2/3 cups of vegetable oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack the 2 eggs. So the eggs are in. We are going to do the vegetable oil, and I need 2/3 cups of vegetable oil. So let's go ahead and put this in. Got that, shake it a little bit. Gotta get everything out of there. Okay, then we're gonna go in with some sugar. And I don't know how much to put, just put what you feel like is enough or what you think you should put. I think I put like 5 scoops full of sugar. Let me go ahead and get the 3 tablespoons of water. Okay, so the eggs, the 3 tablespoons of water is in. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the brownie. Yeah, I hope this did not go everywhere. Let me see if I put it the first. So we have the bowl. We're gonna go ahead and pour it in. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and give this a little mix. Then I'm gonna go ahead with the cake beater and mix it again. So I'm just mixing it. While I'm doing this, y'all go ahead, comment down below other other videos you guys want to see from me, or like excuse me, prank videos that you want to see me do, or just ask questions in the comments. If you want me to do a Q&A video, you can let me know how your day's going, your favorite color, do you have any kids, married, if you have any kids, how many kids, their ages. I don't know, y'all. I be wanting to post and stuff, but I don't be knowing what to post. People don't watch my videos. They don't interact with my videos. There's a few people that will like my videos. Some will comment and I'll respond back to their comments. But other than that, people don't like really interact with my videos, and I be wanting people to interact with me because I interact back with y'all and stuff. But let me go ahead and finish mixing this. Well, I done mixed it. I'm about to go ahead and get the cake beater, beat it, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray this pan. Okay, I think that's good enough because it already has cooking oil in it. So save this up, and then we're about to go ahead and transfer over the brownie mix in the pan. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and even this out. And y'all comment below and let me know how y'all like y'all brownies. Do y'all like y'all brownies chewy, a little bit hard? The oven is done preheating, so I finished just in time. You could go ahead and throw this baby in the oven. So y'all let me know how y'all like y'all brownies. Let's get this up in the oven. Yeah, I'm debating on if I want to put it on the bottom rack or the top rack. Okay, I just went ahead and put it on the bottom rack. And let's get the time. And we are going to cook it for we are going to cook it for 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and set the timer. Timer on. 30. I'm gonna go ahead and do like 33, just a little start time. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead, let this bake. I'm about to clean up my little mess, wash the little bowl, and go find us a movie till the brownies are done.